morning, students. Today we will start with the last topic of this chapter indices, that is square root. So already you have learned squares of numbers. Like for example, 2 square is equal to as 4. 5 square is equal to as 25. We have learned square of numbers. Today we will learn how to find out square root of the numbers. Like for example, 4 is a square number. So root of this, square root of 4 is equal to as 2. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 100 is equal to as 10, in this way. So, how to find it? These are small numbers. We can find out the square root very easily and directly. If a big square is given, how we will find out the square root of big numbers? So, small numbers we can find out it by factorization method. For example, like find square root by factorization method. Example, first one, like 625. So, we will factorize it this. 625 is equal to as square root, factors of 625 is equal to, that is 625 is equal to as factors you find out by this method, this way. 625, factorize it by 5 side, 5 on the 5, carry 1, 5 to the 10, 11, 12, carry 2, 5, 5 the 25. Again divided by 5. So, 5 to the 10, 11, 12, carry 2, 5, 5 the 25. Again 5, 5 is the 25, 5, 1 the 5. Find the factors of. So, square root of 25. We are finding out square root. This is equal to your put square root symbol. And write all the factors here. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, now this under root, it is see product of two numbers, same two numbers, 5 into 5. This will come out as 5. Again 5 into 5 will come out as into 5. So, this is equal to 25. Therefore, root of 625 is equal to 25. Now, second example, 144. So, root of 144 will be equal to, find out by 144 by factorization. 2s are 2 7 14, 2 to the 4. Again 2s are 2 3 are 6, carry 1, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 1 the 2, carry 1, 2 8 are 16. Again 2s are 2 9 the 18. So it will go now 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. So I got it as root of what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So make pairs of same numbers. So now this will come out as 2 into 2 into this 3. We have to take it as only once. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. Therefore root of 144 is equal to as 12. Third example, 225. So root of 225. Factorize it. 5s, we can divide this number by 5s. 5 4s is 20, carry 2, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 9s is 45. So this 3 3s are 3 1s. So therefore the factors of this is 5. What to do? कुछ नहीं होता ना? आई माय गॉड, मैंने तो पॉज भी नहीं किया और मैं मस्त बातें कर रही हूँ. Now let us start with third question, 225. So root of 225 is equal to as, factorize this, 225 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20, carry 2. 5 fours are, sorry, 5 fives are 25. So 5 nines is 45, 3 threes are 3 ones are. So therefore we got factors of 225 is equal to as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So this is equal to 5 into 3. 5 into 3, that is equal to 5 3 is 15. Therefore root of 225 is equal to as 50. Now let us go with the next method, that is division method, or to find out square root of numbers. So I have taken one example, 729. So how to find out square root of 729? By division method. For division method, you have to make a square box, make a box like this way and write 729. Then from the unit place, unit and tens will become one pair. This only one number is remaining. So find the nearest square of 7. See, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So nearest square number to 7 is 4. Yes. So we'll write 2 2s is 4. If I take 3 3s it will be 9, more than 7 I cannot take. So 2 2s are 4, nearest square. Minus it just like simple division. It's little bit like simple division. So 7 minus 5 is, 7 minus 4 is 3 here. And here you have to add the same number. 2 plus 2, it is 4 here. Now, bring down the next 2 at a time. That's why it is, we have taken it as pair of numbers. 2, 9 bring down together. Now we have to divide this 329 by this. You take 4, here 4 is there. Now you take any number to this to get the same number, because this is the last number. So we have brought down all the digits. So if I take 3 into 3, if I take 3, I have to multiply by 3 only. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. I did not get 329. So let us take any other number. 7s I will take into 7, because see, 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. I got last digit 49. 7 7s are 49, carry 4. 7 4s are 28, 29 30, 31 32. I got the same number. So that means by taking 7 I got the same number. So 7 I will write here. Here also I will write here, and plus 7, same number I will. What we have taken, this is the quotient. So what we have, the number which we write to the quotient, same number must be written here, and plus it must be added. So I got, so 47 multiplied by 7 is equal to as what? 329. Minus it, I get 0. So when after subtraction I got remainder as 0, that means the division is over. So add this and keep 14, carry 1, 5, 54. Add it and keep as it is. Now this number which we have got up, it is the quotient. That is the answer. Therefore root of 729 is equal to as 27. For verification we can do verification. We can find out 27 square. That is equal to 27 into 27. I must get the same number, then it is very correct. So 27 multiplied by 27. Multiply it. 7 7 are 49, carry 4. 7 2s are 14, 14, 15, 16, 18. Then 2 7 are 14, carry 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. So add this, you get 9. This is 12, carry 1, 5, 6, 7. So 729 I have got. So this is not necessary that for every question you have to do verification. But I have just showed you that by due to verification also you can confirm whether your answer is correct or wrong. Now let us go with the next one more question. That is, I'll take as 961. So how to find out square root of 961 by division with the same box we make 961. 1, 2. Here only one number is remaining. And this is a square number itself. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 plus 3 I have to write here. So I get 6 here, minus it, I got 0. Bring down the next two digits 61. Now if I put ones are here, ones are, I will get 61. See, ones are. That is 61 into 1. I will get 61 only. So plus 1 equal to 61 minus 0, 0. I got it. So therefore here square root of 961 is equal to as 31. Now let us go with the next question. One more example, that is third example, as 576. So let us take 7225. So square root of 7225 is equal to as what? Put it in the box. 725. 7225. So 1 2 1 2. Here also I got beginning as like we had got here in the beginning. When 3-digit number was there, I got only one single number. But here I got 4-digit number, I got 2 pairs of 2 to 2. So 72 nearest is which number? See, as like we have done, say 4 square is 16, then 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. Now you think 72 is nearest to which? So this 64 is very nearest to 72, but 81 becomes more bigger than this, so we have to take this one, 8 square. That is 8 8s are 64 plus 8 you do, then minus here. So minus it now, you will get it as 2 minus 4 not possible. So borrow 1 here, it is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And this is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now bring down these two next digits. 825. It's 825 now. If I add this now, 8 plus 8 is 16. Now this 16 you have to take. You have to take this 16 and suppose if I take last digit 5. You observe the last digit is 5. So multiply it by 5 only. So we get 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 6 are 30. 31 32. Carry 3. 5 and 5 6 7 8. I got 825. So 5s are 5 here. Here also 5 you write. Plus 5. I got 825 minus 0 0 0. Therefore we get square root of 7225 is equal to as 85. Now let us take another example here. Fourth example, 54,756. A little bigger number. So how to find out it is? For a bigger, to find out square root of bigger number, this method is very convenient. It's very important, very important method. It will be useful for you for your higher educations also. So 54,756. So make first step is what? You have to make spares 1 2 1 2. Again we got one single number 5. So this 5 must be divided first. So very nearest to square, as like I have shown you, 1 square is 1 only. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So very nearest to 5 is 4. That is 2 2s are 4. Plus 2 you do, I get 4 here, minus you do, here I get 1. Bring down this 47 now. 47 I brought 4 and 7. Now take this 4 and multiply with the any number so as to get very near to 147. Because you won't get 147 exactly because you have 2 more digits to bring down. So therefore very nearest to 147, it should not be greater. It must be lesser than 147 and nearest to 147. So let me take as suppose 3 is into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. One more number we will count. 4 is into 4. 4 4 is 16. Carry on. 4 4 is 16. 1 plus 1 17. So 176 becomes more. So we have to take this 3 is 129. So write 3 here plus 3. We got it as 129. So we don't want this. Yes. Now do subtraction, do addition. Here 6 I get 46. Subtraction means we will get it 9. 8. Then this carried 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 left. Now 18. It is 0 here. Bring down this 5, 6. Now it is 1856. Take this 46. Again take this 46. So to this again you have to now see this is the last 2 digit number you have brought down. So last is 6. If I multiply this by 6 6 I will get 36. Or I will take 4 4 into 4. 4 4 16. Then also I will get 6. So let me try with 6 6 6 is 36, carry 3, 6 is 36, 38, 39, 9, carry 3, 6 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27. So it became more big. So let me take this 4, 6 and 4. Because 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25, carry 2, 4 4 are 16, 17, 18. I got exactly the same number. So 4 write here 4, here also you write 4, plus 4 and write this number as it is because we got it by multiplication. Minus it you get 0 0 0. Therefore here square root of this 54,756 is equal to as this top, that is 234. That means 234 square is equal to this number. So this is over with the one example of big number. Now another example with another big number. I will take 15,876. So again make the box for the square root division method. Now 15,876. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 is left here. So when 1 is left, children, 1 1 is 1. You know that. 1 1 is 1. Plus 1. Minus it. 0. I got remainder as 0. Now bring down 58 as it is. 58. Here it is 2. Now if I take, see, 2, if I take 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. If I take 3, it will be more. 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6. I am not getting 58 nearest. So, take this 2 2 you put here, 2 and plus 2. I got 44. Minus it. Here you added it 4, 24. Here, if you subtracted 4 and this 14 I have got. Bring down the next 2 digit, that is 76. Bring down this 76. So when I brought this 76, it is now 1476. So take this 24. Children, this rough work you have to do in the rough column or take a rough page and do it. So now last digit you see it is 6. Again as like we had done here, 4 4 is 16 or 6 6 is 36. So now you take either you take 6 or either you take 4. So let us take 4 and see. 4. 4 4 the 16. Carry 1. 4 4 the 16 plus 1 17. Carry 1. 4 to the 8 1 9. I am not getting. So let us take 2 4 and then I'll take 6 into 6. 6 6 is 36. Carry 3. 6 4 is 24 25 26 27. Carry 2. 6 to the 12 13 14. I have got it. So when I took a 6, I got the same remainder, that is 1476. So here you write 6 and here also write 6 plus 6 you add here and write this number as it is. Minus I got here 0 0. Adding means I got 12 here, 2, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5 and this is. So therefore here square root of this big number, therefore square root of, this is rough work, therefore square root of 15,876 is equal to as this big as 126, this number 126. So this is the division method. Now one more example I will take. Fifth example is the last example. So it is now 1,66,464. You have to find out the square root of this such big number. So same method, by division method we can do. Write down this 166,464. So make pairs of numbers 1 2 1 2. I got 1 2. Now here this in the starting 16. You know 4 square is equal to 16. 4 4 is 16 itself. 4 square is equal to 16. So I will have to take 4s. 4 4s are 16. Plus 4 you do here. I got 8 minus 0 0. Bring down this 6 4. Bring down this 6 4. Now 64. So here. Now this 8s are, if I take 1s also, I will get 81. But this 64 is less than 81. So that means my division, I cannot do division here now. So that means with this remainder I cannot do division. That means I want something more. So next 2 digits, whatever it is, you bring down the next 2 digits. 64. Again it is 64 only. Bring down. Now the dividend is 6,464. So when I have to bring down the next pair of digits, before bringing down you have to put a 0 to the quotient, and here also this is the divisor. For this divisor also you have to put the 0. So therefore now then bring down this 6 4. So now I have to take 8 and 0 and then multiply and see what I get. See. Last digit is 4. Therefore 8 8 is 64. 2 2 is for 2s I will take as 2 2s are 4. 0 2 8 are 16. Did I get same? No. So 8 0 8 I will take, because 8 8 is 64. Carry 6. 8 0 0 0 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 8 are 64. I got the same number. So therefore here take this 8 8 plus 8. Then write the same number 6464. Minus 0 0 0 0 remainder I have got. Add this 8 plus 8 16. Carry 1 1 and 8 here. Therefore the square root of 1,66,464 is equal to as this 408. That means If I multiply 408 into 408, I will get this number. The